Hey guys, it's already been a few months that OnePlus 7 and OnePlus 7 Pro have entered the market, and now it's time for OnePlus to launch their T variant of the device. And what's interesting is MacLeod from his Twitter account has posted the launch date of the OnePlus 7T. India is the big market for smartphones, and it seems that OnePlus 7T will start its game from Indian market. According to MacLeod, OnePlus 7 will launch an event in India on September 26, and this time OnePlus might reveal their OnePlus TV2. OnePlus will hold launch event of the OnePlus 7T in the United States and Europe on October 10, and finally 7T will go on sale on 15th of October. So we can assume that Indian launch will be more of a teaser than a full reveal of the OnePlus 7T. Still, this shows how important Indian market is for the OnePlus. OnePlus has increased their sales in flagship category, and now they are on the top of the premium smartphones, at least in India. Talking about the rumored specs, both OnePlus 7T and OnePlus 7T Pro will have Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, and there will be camera improvement over the previous OnePlus 7. OnePlus will use 64 megapixel sensor instead of 48 megapixel camera found on the OnePlus 7 Pro. Both 7T and 7T Pro will be supporting 5G tech, which means both devices are future-proof. So this was all for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Smartphones Explained. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.